हाय एवरीवन, डू यू ऑल फेस द सिचुएशन कि जब आप कोडिंग कंपटीशन दे रहे हो तब आपसे क्वेश्चंस नहीं हो रहे, लेकिन जब आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो तो सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस हो जाते हैं। जब आप कोडिंग कंपटीशन दे रहे हो तब आपको क्वेश्चन स्ट्राइक नहीं हुआ, लेकिन जैसे ही कंपटीशन खत्म हुआ तुरंत आपको स्ट्राइक हुआ दैट ओके दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन, राइट? आर यू फेसिंग द सेम सिचुएशन? ओके, देन हियर आई हैव द सॉल्यूशन, व्हाट आई डू टू ओवरकम दिस slowly. So the problem is that you are able to perform at zero pressure, but you are not able to perform at a certain pressure level, right? So what I want you to do is I want you to give some competitions at this much pressure. Okay, so this much amount of pressure will be normal for you. Okay, so how will you do that? Let me explain you. So first of all, divide the competitions which you are giving into important and not very much important, right? Now suppose intra college coding competition might be important for you. You want to perform well in that. Okay, so what you'll do when you participate in the regular monthly contest on different websites, take them as not much important and give those contents at this much pressure, at the highest pressure. Now how will you create that pressure? So when you are given the competition, I want you to see the leaderboard quite frequently. Now, quite frequently doesn't mean that you see for half an hour out of the 3 hours, but you got the point. So, whenever you will see the leaderboard, there will be two extreme or very rare situations when the extra pressure will not generate. First, either you are at the very end of the leaderboard and you know that now you are not going to come up, or you are at the very top and the people are far behind you, which are very rare conditions, right? Other than that, if you are at the top, and then you will have a extra, then it will create an extra pressure, because now you have, like, you will get a little bit frightened कि जो आपसे नीचे है वो आपसे आगे ना निकल जाए. So it will create an extra pressure for you to perform faster, right? And if you are at somewhere at the middle, then there will be two pressures. First, you want to go up in the leaderboard, and second, those people who are just behind you, you don't want that to overcome them, right? I'm asking you to compare only for that competition, right? Not the whole coding profile. So now you will get an extra pressure, so it will affect your coding competitions and your performance will decrease in the starting in some competitions. Okay, because you are now performing at this much pressure, you are creating an extra pressure, but you the not very important contest at this much pressure. Now when you are giving the important ones, what I want to do is don't see the leaderboard quite frequently. Okay, so now the pressure will get reduced to here again. Okay, but since now you have the habit to perform at you have developed the habit to perform at this much pressure level, this will be a little normal thing for you. Okay, so now don't see the leaderboard, or अगर 6-7 क्वेश्चन है, so until you do not do 4 to 5 questions, don't do see the leaderboard. अगर आप 4 से 5 क्वेश्चंस कर लेते हो, then you may go and see the leaderboard. Okay, so now this much pressure will be normal for you. So this is how you develop an extra pressure and perform in that level. मैं एक टॉपर का इंटरव्यू देख रहा था, एंड ही सेड दैट आई गिव मॉक टेस्ट इन माय हॉस्टल रूम वेयर देयर इज सो मच अराउंड, वेयर देयर इज सो मच ऑफ नॉइज अराउंड. So when I am at the center, it will be a very calm place for me. So similar situation you have to develop here, quite similar, that you create an extra pressure to perform, and then when you are giving an important competition, don't see the leaderboard, and that will be a normal. I hope it helps you out.